even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
What's up, YouTube family? Hey, right now I'm heading over to one of my homeboys' motorcycle shop. He having some type of event there. Broward Chaz. I know you guys probably already follow him, but if you follow me, then more likely you follow him. But if you don't, start following him. I'm gonna post his Instagram. I'm gonna post his YouTube channel right here on the page. But it's Broward Chaz. I'm heading over to his motorcycle shop. He having some type of event. I didn't announce that I was going to be at this event because it's all about him. So I'm going to head over there and see what it's all about. I'm actually going to surprise him. He doesn't know that I'm coming. So, yeah, let's get it. Alright, I've never been here before, but the GPS is saying that we're almost there. So, let's see. District. Can't cut through, so it's right on the other side. Soon. What was out here? See Chaz though. How you doing? Hey, is Chaz here?
He just left.
He just left?
Hey, how's it going, dude?
Good, how you doing?
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Is he coming back?
Yeah, he said he's going to get his truck and then he's going to come back.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aeroplane now, look.
Okay.
My time in an aeroplane is my legs.
Yeah.
Hey, anyway, I'm 70.
You're gonna get up there, you start forgetting, I guess. Yeah. Thank you. I was trying to catch him here because I was heading up north, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you heading to?
Huh?
Where are you heading to?
I was gonna go to Orlando soon. Really? Yeah, I gotta be over there. I was gonna hit the Bradenton today, but I didn't go. Yeah. But now I gotta go to Orlando and be there by tomorrow, though. Okay. So I'm not riding this though. I'm just I'm putting it on my truck. Okay, yeah. But yeah.
Ride to get up there.
Huh?
On a big ride to get up there on the bike.
Yeah. All right. Well, boy Chaz just left. He went to get his truck, but I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video right now, and then I resume once I catch up with him. Once he come back, I'm gonna give him a call right now, but I don't want to record that. But I'll resume soon. Oh shit! I didn't even take my cap off. I mean, I loosened it, I just didn't take it off. But why? What's going on with this? Damn, gas is spilling everywhere. This is not even working. Yeah, I don't trust this. I gotta get something to wipe this gas off. He wanted me to do it for his little kid, so I did. And the little kid couldn't handle it. Alright, like I mentioned before, Broward Chaz left before I got there. He had to take care of some business. But like I said, I was pulling up on him and he didn't know it, so it was going to be a surprise. So, of course, there was no reason for him to wait because he didn't know I was coming. So I pulled out, I left. He said he was going to come back, but I had to go. And I'll catch up with him next time. Got about an hour ride. Always, if you have a camera anywhere on you, your bike, your helmet, even your phone, if you can get to it, you should always be recording because you never know what you're gonna catch. Never know. Oh, I gotta stop and get gas. It's that other pump. I wasn't chancing that. It wouldn't take my card as far as for even to put a pin in or, you know, register. Says lift the nozzle and start fueling. And then, as you can see, fuel start coming out. Like spilling. But it still wouldn't even register, so I said, you know what, let me go somewhere else. I'm not gonna take that chance. Traffic up here. I just have one more exit. I don't want a lane split. 1 mile. Just give me 1 mile of free traffic. And they couldn't do that. Traffic is heavy everywhere. Always got to get that high octane. Let's go. Shouldn't be putting nothing less in your girl. I don't know how that's gonna come out or how people are gonna take that.
Big dog, walking big talk, young veteran. Living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.